Welcome back to another informative video on parshealthhtv. Today's video is all about the arthritis diet. Ease pain with these nutritious foods. Stay tuned to find out the 10 best foods to fight inflammation and strengthen your immune system to reduce arthritis pain. Food is medicine. If you're suffering from aches from arthritis, ingesting meals that have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties, together with any tablets or different remedies your health practitioner recommends, can also additionally assist. Here are 10 foods that doctors recommend for a food plan that can additionally assist in easing your arthritis ache and enhance your coronary heart health. Number 10. Go green with tea. Green tea is filled with polyphenols, antioxidants believed to lessen irritation and sluggish cartilage destruction. Studies also indicate that every other antioxidant in green tea, known as epigallocatechin-three-gallate, EGCG, blocks the manufacturing of molecules that cause joint harm in humans with rheumatoid arthritis. Green tea is thought to be excessive in vitamins and antioxidants and has the capacity to lessen the irritation. Studies finished on animals also observe that it may assist in lessening the prevalence and severity of rheumatoid arthritis. To attain the benefits, purpose for 2 servings a day, either warm or cold. Be sure to apply tea bags, and now no longer use powdered tea mixes, which might be processed. If you drink the decaffeinated variety, make certain the technique is all natural. Number 9. Fuel up on fish. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which studies have observed that it can lower irritation. According to the Arthritis Foundation, ingesting a 3 to 4 ounce serving of those fish or greater instances per week is endorsed for defending the coronary heart and decreasing irritation. Because certain forms of fish are filled with irritation-preventing omega-3 fatty acids, specialists recommend a minimum of 3 to 4 oz of fish 2 times per week. Omega-3 rich fish consist of salmon, tuna, mackerel, and herring. Be sure to pick decreased sodium alternatives while buying canned objects in case you want to preserve your sodium in check. Number 8. Some fruits. Berries are high in antioxidants, and the Arthritis Foundation notes that blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, cranberries, and raspberries all offer arthritis-preventing properties. You'll get a health advantage in case you consume them frozen, sparkling, or dry, without introduced sugar, so make certain to consume a whole lot of berries all through the week. Apples also are rich in antioxidants and have a terrific supply of fiber. Pomegranates, which might be labeled as a berry fruit, are affluent in tannins that could combat the irritation of arthritis. Add those to a salad or stir them into simple yogurt for a few introduced advantages. Studies have proven cherries can also additionally assist in lessening the frequency of gout attacks. Research has proven that the anthocyanins observed in cherries have an anti-inflammatory effect. Citrus fruits, like oranges, grapefruits, and limes, are rich in vitamin C. Research suggests that obtaining the proper quantity of diet aids in stopping inflammatory arthritis and keeping healthy joints with osteoarthritis. Number 7. Vegetables. Take it a step similarly and consist of anti-inflammatory greens to your day-by-day food plan consisting of cauliflower, mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli. Add them to your stir-fry, salads, or as healthful dishes. Rich in nutrients K and C, broccoli additionally incorporates a compound known as sulforaphane, which researchers have determined may also assist save you or gradual the development of osteoarthritis. Broccoli is likewise rich in calcium, which is understood for its bone-constructing benefits. While making large adjustments to your food plan may not take place overnight, including lots of arthritis-friendly ingredients step by step will assist you together with your normal fitness and the way you manipulate your arthritis pain. Number 6. Canola and olive. Attain those varieties of oils that have an amazing amount of omega-3 and omega-6 acids, each of which might be vital fatty acids. Studies have determined that an ingredient in olive oil known as oleocanthal has anti-inflammatory residences and is understood to be top for coronary heart fitness, too. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff in upcoming videos. Number 5. Ginger and turmeric. Thanks to the chemical substances in those plants, ginger and turmeric also are recognized to have anti-inflammatory residues. Both are broadly utilized in Chinese and Indian cooking. The clinical statistics on encouraging day-by-day or weekly intakes of ginger or turmeric are especially with supplemented doses. However, a healthy sprinkling of those spices on ingredients or in drinks may want to convey restricted fitness benefits. They'll even upload a bit of kick on your favorite dishes. Moreover, small quantities of ginger can assist in settling a disenchanted stomach. Number 4. Nuts. All nuts are high in protein, low in saturated fat, and comprise no cholesterol, in contrast to animal proteins. Eat them on your own or upload them on your favorite yogurt, salad, or healthy dish for a further improvement of protein. Changing a serving of meat with only a cup of nuts allows you to keep away from the infection. Unlike meat, nuts are also an amazing supply of fiber. Choose unsalted nuts to restrict the quantity of sodium in your food plan. Number 3. Whole grains. From quinoa to farro and bulgur, there are masses of ranges to pick out from and include in your food plan. These types have greater vitamins and fiber than the handiest whole grains can provide naturally. To gain the benefits, the Arthritis Foundation recommends ingesting between 3 and 6 ounces of grains a day. Some extra various whole grain alternatives encompass friki, a Middle Eastern delicacy staple, or teff used to make Ethiopian flatbread. Number 2. Salsa. Mixing salsa into your everyday food plan is an outstanding manner to grow your consumption of diet C, fiber, and antioxidants, due to its rich blend of tomatoes, onions, and different vegetables. Doctors recommend the use of it for a vegetable dip in the vicinity of excessive calorie dressings usually discovered with inside the grocery store. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is traditionally favored. However, large-scale random managed research has now no longer been carried out to suggest darkish chocolate in any amount to ease inflammation. If you eat dark chocolate, it should have at least 70% or better cocoa content. The better the cocoa content, the decrease the quantity of sugar with inside the chocolate. Just keep quantities small to restrict the saturated fats and calories. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.